Director NEIGRIHMS Dr. Nalin Mehta ulahap ban one kren bat ban Panmab yala ka jingkren bakla ka jong na kinongilam ka new trap youth council HYC hadien makila byrngem ban khang tala ka office trekam jong haka live with lam kod arjar pusau kani ka jing byrngem ka HYC haka jelam ubaroi kuparsen ram president kalong hadien ka jingmi jendat ka jongka na ka jikren bo director namar ka jingkno jong ba ka jingwan ka HYC haka kendai trek lam kod arjar pusau kalong ban pinklumar da ka ba nyau yaki kumki khna surong kumman syukudo ba ka HYC kalawan si NEIGRIHMS haka kendai trik lam kod arajar pusau bandawa pendrung prapkau nak sispa ka bah yokam yaki riulom ka jela hakani ka institute ringkat kiplakan.
I have been given to understand that you were offended. I realized when you got up and left the meeting, you were offended by what I told you. Incidentally, when you had mentioned that you wished to lock my hospital, I just requested you let us not do that because that would be, intimidating and it would affect the people.
That was not the language that you used. No?
No. I said let us not be aggressive. I used the word aggressive.
No,
yes.
Mr. Mehta.
But I take back my words.
No, we came today because you invited us for it. Otherwise, our ultimatum ends after tomorrow. Right? We could have come and no. See, we have to make it clear. What you did is not acceptable.
I take back. Okay. If I have offended you.
We came and meet in a civilized way. You told us to come 5%. We came 5%. We didn't bring our members.
Absolutely.
Instead of, in fact, we introduced ourselves fine. But then, how did you start the discussion? You start the discussion telling us that we are being aggressive. Did we come with an aggressive mindset into your meeting?
I take back my words. I have offended you. I take back my words. And I still hope, if we are willing, I will give you that representation. There's just one point. In your representation, you have asked me for a few things.
Yes.
They are beyond my dedicated powers. I have conveyed them to the minister.
You have the power.
To do which one of them?
Outsourcing. You are calling for outsourcing.
I have to do through tendering. Anybody who applies, who gets...
That is the problem. No? Tendering, if you call, then people from outside will come.
I can't choose. I do not have the power to... I can't say, okay, you conduct the exam. I have to go by tendering. Locally
that is a demand also. No, then you could have replied to us in such a way. We could have a discussion, but then you didn't even give a chance to discuss.
Can I tell you now? Outsourcing for security and all the manpower, unskilled, highly skilled and skilled, is done locally. It is only done locally by local agencies. There is no outsourcing.
That. For now, we understand, but we are also made to understand that there is a move to call from outside. That's why we came to discuss.
There is no move to call from outside.
That's why, if you could have given us an assurance that there is nothing like that.
I would like to give you an assurance now.
But there are other issues also. There are 4, 5, 6 issues also.
We are answering all the 4, 5 issues.
Okay. We could have discussed around the table
and have a discussion.
Are
you willing to discuss even now, or are you upset with me?
We will fix another date.
Sure.
We'll discuss.
And I want you to go back.
But Mr. Mehta, see, if you are behaving with us like this, we fear that how will you behave with the people?
No, you have no idea how we look after the people. I have taken back my word. There has been a misunderstanding. Let us put it behind us.
You have to remove this anti-tribal mindset.
I do not have an anti-tribal. No. Please don't accuse me of anti-tribal mindset.
No.
I am working with the tribals.
No, the way that you spoke with that attitude, you didn't even listen.
No.
You didn't even give us a chance to discuss the issues that have been put forward.
Shall we discuss this again? Shall we wipe the slate clean and start all over again?
We'll fix another date.
Please let me know.
Yeah.
And I just want you to know, one, I am willing to meet you at every little point that you have.
All the point we'll discuss.
And whatever we can do, and I will take that forward with you in the same way.
Yes, next.
And
next
we will put our resources together, whatever.
It's okay.
Yes,
you can.
Please let me know when.
We'll fix
Please let me know when.
And you.
After completion,
let us do that. I have a request.
Until you fulfill the deadline,
we'll meet.
I cannot.
Sorry for today.
All right.
Some leaders are upset. Our members all are coming here. Some more are coming. We could have taken a drastic step. There could have been a law and order situation in this hospital.
I do not wish to upset you. We will work together and take this forward.
As this designation of director
to behave.
No, we will take this forward in a positive manner.
Okay, we'll fix another day.
whatever I can do, I will do. Whatever I cannot do, I will ask the ministry to
discuss
do.
that on
But
the
I need you to
discussion.
know, and these gentlemen have seen that the letter that you have given us is being forwarded to the ministry with point by point request to follow as per demand. And if
We'll
they
have a
agree to
discussion.
that, I am more than willing to implement, because this is not my hospital. I am just running it on behalf
That's
of
fine.
the
No,
government.
you
that's
came
why,
here-
That's why you have to know.
That's fine. No, you have
that
to know.
NEIGRIHMS is in Shillong.
I know that,
It's in Shillong.
I
We
know.
are the locals. You have to know how to behave.
but
You have to know how
I
to
am
welcome
governed by
local
the central
people.
government and the constitution.
Bahaba piwana kani ka jaka kani ka riga jongi so ba ban buram ya ki try muluk pimdei ban ong batang ba pidei director pipsyong to suki pila ban kren kat baman ngiting bai lada yangi kinoi lam seng balang ula ban kren kumtu banwan da kata ka attitude da ka jing sngo bangi ki ba khamret u khamhe ngiting ba ong kumnu nya dei pat ba kiru pat ba bat ki pardo parsnam ki jongi ngi kwa ban bu ban phak ni khubor ka ba shai se kini kinong ki clear jong kini ki office ki ba per ki badan hang ni ba ka seng ka nom shu sngam lada don kam mangin pen i da ka bor ngin pen i kani ka ditang ka jing sedang ngila penlong i ubo unwan ban panma bakmat jong i hang ni habar balada yai million ban le ekum kini kam bat ye ki weiru kini hu kini ya ki IIMs ki IIT ki badan hang ni ki di ban su thu ba piwan kani ka ke jaka ka jong ni balada ha jaka jong i pin ken ben yang nginom la sha balada ngim la sha lada ki kun samla jong ka ben kim la sha ke ka banja balada ki mi kinu jung kul mar ki jingit klik ki de ben shimaki kata ka de khubor ka basang ka bangi kwa bat ngi kwa ban ong ba ya baro kini ki office sarkar na kaliang jong ka sengin but din nang ni sakman ban pentik na ba ki bri ki jong i ki de ban yo kam yo jam kini jaka balada ngi lap ba kinu ki office sarkar kim but renti bat ki mailat ki bri ki jong i ban yo kam ka seng ka nom shu sngam bat shong klik ki kata ka de jingwan ka jong i menta ka sngi bat ha be ba meeting bo new director ngin se pen bet pat hawi nam bo new director la le ulong bo penlong ye kan thungkam nursing officer kata ka norset ka ba le ki institute kum ka aims bat ki wei pat ki jaka por India ka jingle jong ni ya kani ka exam norset ka pelong ye ki samla ki jongi ba ki nom yo lat ban thungkam nurs na ki shispa khandai pho shispa kat nu tli ki post ki khna ki jongi ki bayo rong nam ka norset ki dei tang khat reu hadu khat nyungmut kamut ba ka pendu lat ki jongi na maka norset ka ka exam ka ba e hadu kata te ka dei ka exam ka badang thamai te ka dawa ka jongi na ka NEIGRIHMS kalong bay hindi ban pelong exam lang ba ka norset balada ka kwa ban pelong ro de ban ailat yangi yaki kun samla ki jongi bakin long familiarize bat kum kini ki ja exam kabaar abay de ki outsourcing agency ki batray security hangni ki batray ki skill unskill ni ong ba hindi ban khot da ki agency ki banaba bat ki batray po jong kita agency ru ki de bandai ki local komot ba ki try muluk nang ni kabalay kabangi ni dawa kalong ba yaking ni ki group B bat group C dai ban thungkam prapo persen ye ki try muluk ki jongi bat kabasan kabangi dawa khmat jongni kalong ba kini ki nurse ki bala tray hang ni hapo NEIGRIHMS ki don ki batray lang ba ka outsource agency ki batray de ki laki sans nam news nam chipo nam tilada uniu director khot lang ba ka norset kini ki bri ki jongi ki bala tray hang ni ki post nam kin let cha e tingi ngi dawa ngi om ba ka dai ban don ka one time policy ka ba ki nurse ki batray hang ni hapo NEIGRIHMS dai ban observe no eki dai ban penrung no eki permanent hang ni hapo NEIGRIHMS kita ki di kimat ki bangi kwa bani kren ngi kwa bani kren ye sapang